guys see how this looks like is my actual hair. Ooh, yeah, this is giving silk press. This is. I like the fact that it does come a little bit curled and kind of layered, but it is 24 inches. It just has some layers into it. You can't tell me I didn't get my hair done. Like, come on now. You cannot tell me that I did not get my hair done. This wig is gorgeous. The hair is super duper soft. I didn't get any shedding or none of that. The only time the hair came out was when I was like, you know, plucking the hairline and doing all that stuff to it. Now we're gonna do a side part, and I'm just trying to make sure that the hair is laid down flat before I do. Okay, this is the side part. The hair did end up moving around a lot because remember, this is a glueless unit, so there's no glue holding it or anything that's really holding it to my head except for those little side combs. So as I'm doing these styles and I'm moving the entire wig around, it is gonna move and get manipulated. But this is what the side part is looking like. It's still giving silk press, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, I wish I would like be able to fix the lifting, but I don't want to put a sticky tab right here just because I don't know like what style I'm gonna do next. I think I'm gonna do a half up, half down next, but I really like the way that this hair just looks like it's growing out of my head. Like, they did a pretty good job on the actual construction of the wig with the layers. I feel like these layers look OD natural because sometimes when you get a kinky straight wig, it just looks like a lot going on, but this one does not, and I'm feeling it. Yeah, this gives very like a classy, clean look. If you want a wig that you really don't have to do a lot to, this I feel like it gives a very clean and classy look. So I couldn't find any other scrunchie other than the one that I used. I know the high top is a little bit, like, not a little bit, it is very high up. But just look how cute my hair looks. You could do a lot of styles with this wig. It kept moving around when I had the glue on because of my makeup, so I just had to like spray along the perimeter. But you guys did see before that it was glueless, so don't do me. You saw that before it was glueless, but I needed a little bit of security so that I could put it up in an updo. Otherwise, nothing was holding it to my head except the strips, and like the front was still coming up, so that honestly doesn't even count. So this is what an updo style looks like on this wig. And then finally, I am going to try and do a bun. I don't know if I'm going to show y'all the back. I don't think I'm going to show y'all the back, but I am going to try and do a bun or a ponytail and let y'all know how that goes. And this is our big girl bun. I know there are some imperfections. Please remember that this wig is like barely glued down to my head, but this is my little bun that I did. I could have definitely did better around the hairline, but I'm just doing a quick little something just to show that this wig is diverse, I guess, pretty much. So this is what the hair looks like. And I'm gonna put some more of this foundation just to get rid of that white cast that we got from the actual lace glue. Like, I'm trying to make sure I actually do get that on the hair because I feel like I'm not getting it on the hair. I don't know. But yeah, so this is what the bun looks like. Overall, I really do like this wig. I like the first look the best. The first look with just the hair coming down, the little wavy, you know, that does it for me. This technology is really amazing. I feel like they can do more with the wigs, definitely with the plucking and making sure that every single knot is bleached, but they are just starting out, so I'm gonna hold them to that, but I do expect better in the future. But so far I really do like this wig. I wish it did come a little bit more bleached and not over bleached in the middle as we saw in the beginning. I also wish it came a little bit more plucked and I have to go in myself, but we'll see what they have to hold in the future. Overall, the way that they designed the wig is really cute though. I'll give them that. Now one characteristic of the tape that I did want to talk about, it is US FDA approved. So if you're concerned about your skin, I know people have bad experiences with glue. I'm not going to say the name of the glue that I had a bad experience with, but sometimes your skin could definitely break out. With this one, your skin won't. This is FDA approved and it is for sensitive skin approved. So you could definitely go ahead. You won't get those little bumps on the edge of your forehead from using the tape, or you can install it regular, whatever you want. It just comes pre-everything to make it either glueless or just easier to actually install by yourself. And yes, it's 100% human hair, transparent lace. As you guys saw in the beginning, it does come a little bit curled, so it definitely can take heat. You don't gotta worry about that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.